Hey traders, how would you feel about being up 3,764 points in the matter of 4 weeks? Well, this is what you actually was able to do if you follow what I said on my video back from the 10th of February called Are you ready for some downside in the Dow Jones Index? But actually I'm going to walk you through step by step what I said and what has happened, and also I'm going to show you in this video how I see the Dow to act in the future and what you need to do to profit for the coming moves. So let's dive into it. Alright, in the video of the 10th of February I said the following about the market. Let's hear.
The story is that the sellers are stepping in. The sellers are stepping in. The sellers are stepping in.
And also I actually talked about the spikes that I saw in the market and that the price was getting rejected, what you see right here in this area. Let's hear what I said.
You can see now that for the last couple of 3 weeks the market has also tried to produce higher highs but have failed every single time.
And after that I talked about the stochastics not being able to go over 80. Let's hear what I said about that.
If the stochastics indicator does not consolidate above the 80 area, this will be me for confirmation that this resistance that I see to price is actually very valid and therefore pushing the market even further down.
And after that I talked about the momentum indicator and what it's going to do. Let's hear what I said.
You can actually see that the momentum on a weekly basis has fallen quite much, and right now as of this week, I know this is only Monday, but of this week the momentum indicator is pointing down.
And after that I summarized both the stochastics, the momentum indicator and the price action in order to see what will I do in case I see more red than green. Let's hear what I said.
If the price action with these indicators shows you that the market cannot produce higher highs, the only thing I will be looking for is that red takes out green in this area, and this means that if the market goes underneath these weekly highs or in these opening prices, I will be the one shorting them.
And after that I talked a little bit about where should my first target be. Let's hear what I said.
What would be obvious would be that the market would at least try to make a bounce down here around 42,000. This is about 5.6% down, 2,474 points from where we are now. It will try to make a bounce here.
So there you have it. I actually walk you through what I saw, what to do and where to profit from it. So as you can see by now, the market has even moved further down as it's actually all the way down here now. But let's look at what the market is plausible to do and what the next target could be. So first of all, as long as market keeps on producing red here, the market is going to continue to tank. If we get a color change like the one you see here, or like you want to see here, I would be able to actually go long in the market. So the question is, of course, is how far down does it go? How high does it go? I would actually start by looking at the top potential first. Because if we do get a bounce here before the week is over, I think the market could easily go up halfway or even to a triple top or technically even and make a new high. Everything is on the board and everything is possible. I lean towards most a triple top like this and then continue down. Or we maybe go to only 50% retracement, which will coincide with the 20 moving average, and then from there we should get a bounce down. If we get a bounce down, then again, I'm sure that price will go and try to hit this previous support area, which will now become resistance and then take us further down. So the question is, how further down will we go? Well, according to what I see, we could go, first of all, go as low as around the 40,000 area, because this coincides with previous support area. Then secondly, if you look here, we can actually go even much further down. We have some previous toppings over here, which also coincides with the bottom here. So that could be here in this area, about 37,500, 37,000-ish. So let's see how the market plays out. And if you really like and want to know how to profit from price action, the trading like this, go check out my videos that I will link to now so you can continue and learn more about price action. Thank you.